everyone, welcome back to Finance Ladder. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies. From Bitcoin to Ethereum and beyond, we'll dive into the different types of cryptocurrencies that are changing the game. So let's get started. 1. Bitcoin. First up, we have Bitcoin, the granddaddy of them all. Created in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin is the first decentralized cryptocurrency that allows for peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries. 2. Ethereum. Next, we have Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Ethereum is not just a digital currency, but a decentralized platform that enables the creation of smart contracts and decentralized applications. dApps. 3. Altcoins. Now let's talk about altcoins, which are alternative cryptocurrencies that are not Bitcoin or Ethereum. Some popular altcoins include Litecoin, Dogecoin, and Monero. Each altcoin has its own unique features and use cases. 4. Tokens. Another type of cryptocurrency is tokens, which are digital assets issued on top of another blockchain. Tokens can represent a wide range of assets such as commodities, fiat currencies, or even other cryptocurrencies. 5. Stablecoins. Finally, let's talk about stablecoins, which are cryptocurrencies pegged to the value of a fiat currency, such as the US dollar. Stablecoins aim to reduce the volatility associated with other cryptocurrencies. That's it for today's video on the different types of cryptocurrencies. We hope you now have a better understanding of the diverse world of cryptocurrencies. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.